to our YouTube channel. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the bell button after you subscribe and like if you like this video. Ayan. So, for today's video, guys, mag-unbox tayo. Para akong rockstar. So, for today's video, guys, mag-unbox tayo ng Wertheim Evolution, the ultimate handstick vacuum. Ayan, guys. So, ito ang ating i-unbox ngayon. So, yan siya. Ayan, as you can see, para siyang Dyson V11 o ganun. It look like, guys, Dyson, pero dun sa nabilhan namin nitong vacuum, they said this is much better than Dyson. So let's see, because we have 90 days warranty. Ayan, so we can change this one if we don't like it, and if doesn't do the job properly, we can change it into different vacuum. Ayan, guys, so ayan yung kanyang manual. May manual siya. And it comes with small pieces. Meron siyang mga ganitong kasama. And of course, we have batteries. Ayan. So that's the one battery. And we have a different suction or mga pampa. And of course, we got charger, of course. May charger tayo. Ayan, ang ating charger. Yung handle ng vacuum. And then we have a spare battery here. Ayan, so meron siyang spare battery, which is good. And we have this long stick. And also this is small suction. Ayan. And of course, meron tayo yung ulo. Ayan. So, hindi mawawala ang ulo. Dapat may ulo pala. Dapat may ulo palagi. Ayan. Ayan yung kanyang ulo. This is the big suction. Ayan, yung malaking suction niya. And we have this, yung paa. Siyempre, kung meron kang guys, ulo, dapat meron kang paa. Ayan, yung lagayan ng charger at ng vacuum. Last thing is this one, yung stick ng yan, it says Wertheim Evolution. Ayan, Wertheim Evolution. Ito na, mga kabisyo, ang laman ng ating box. So, ng ating Wertheim Evolution vacuum. So, handstick. So, handstick siya, guys, and cordless. So, hindi na tayo mamomblema sa ating vacuum kung saan natin siya anuhin, kasi na siya, guys, cordless na po siya. So, we can use it as well, this one, in the car, sa loob ng sasakyan. Pwede natin silang gamitin piece by piece. And yan, so i-assemble natin to. I-assemble natin, guys. Let's see how we gonna assemble it. Ayan, so we need the manual, of course. We need the manual. Ito. Okay. Let's see. Ganyan. Tama ba? Okay. Ganito siguro. Ganyan. So, insert daw natin to, guys, dito. Ayan. So, lock na siya. Lock. Ayan, na-insert na natin. And then, yung cord, ayan, insert natin pag ganito. Ayan, so it's easy lang, guys. So, pag aalisin nyo siya, ganyan, so insert natin. Ganyan, so i-click lang natin, guys. Ayan, para yan. Dapat nakalock. Nakalock. Dapat may sound na ting, ting, ting. Ganon. And then, insert natin yung battery. Ayan, so let's try. Insert the battery. This one. Into this. Ayan, insert natin. Ayan. And then, i-lock natin. And then, let's try. Let's try. Ayan mga kabisyo, nag-try ako and see yung dumi ng aming carpet. Ayan. Ayan yung ating carpet, guys. Yung ating dirt ng ating carpet. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo. Ayan siya. Ayan, nasa loob. Ayan po ang dumi ng ating carpet. Ayan. Ayan mga kabisyo, so nag-try ako na mag-vacuum and have a look, guys. Ayan yung dumi na nakuha natin. Ayan, grabe, ang dumi pala ng carpet namin, guys. Ayan. So look at that, guys. Ayan mga kabisyo. So look at that, guys. Our old vacuum, guys, it's okay to use because we had that already. Our old vacuum, guys, we already had that for nearly 5 years now. We only got that for $150 before at Kmart, but this vacuum is look like Dyson. It's dun sa nabilhan namin, talagang ano sila, bilihan sila ng mga vacuum, and they offer us this one. And yeah, so we have a 90 days trial, so if we don't like it, we can replace it with another vacuum or different brand of vacuum. So yeah, so we will try this and let's see if it's gonna work. And I already sort out the stand, or the charger stand is there already. So it also comes with this small pieces. So pwede natin silang ilagay dito. Ayan, so we have a mini motorized pet brush ito. So kung kayo ay may mga aso, may mga pusa, ganyan, may mga daga sa mga bahay. So ideal. So this is ideal for picking up pet hair from furniture. Ayan. So this is the one. And we have this. It's called upholstery brush. Ayan, so upholstery brush. It's perfect for cleaning up upholstery. Upholstery. That's a new word to me, guys. Upholstery. Ayan. So, huwag natin alamin kung ano yung yung upholstery. Ayan. Kung ano yun. Basta, yun na yun. And then, meron tayong 3-in-1 brush cleaning tool. Ayan. Yung ating 3-in-1 brush cleaning tool. And, sabi, combines a crevice tool, upholstery tool, and dusting brush all in the one tool for convenient cleaning. So, ito yon. Ayan. So, let's see kung ito ay magagamit natin. And then, the last one is angle attachment. Ito yung angle attachment. And for cleaning in awkward, hard to reach places. Ah, okay. For example, mag-ano ka dun sa taas ng inyong bubong. Mag-vacuum ka doon sa taas ng ano nyo. Ayan. Pwede natin itong gamitin. So, ayan guys. So, let's see. And we will try this one. And, andun na ba yung ano? I think, andito na lahat yung cleaning stuff. And, ito guys, yung boost. Kung for example, like nyo ng maximum, yung, ano, medyo mas, ano siya, mas malakas yung suction niya, guys. Pwede nyo siyang i-boost. Ayan, may boost siya dyan. And, ito yung ano, lagayan ng mga dirt. So, hindi na natin need ng vacuum bag kasi meron na itong lagayan. And, it's easy na lang kasi pwede natin siyang hugasan and i-wash itong lagayan ng dumi. Mga kabisyo, ang nababacuum pa lang po natin ay itong half ng ating carpet. Ayan, and ito na po guys yung nakuha nating dumi. Ayan, yan na. Grabe. Di mo akalain na meron palang ganitong dumi dito sa carpet na to. Ayan. Ibabacuum natin yung couch natin and let's see kung ano yung dumi sa ating couch. Ayan mga kabisyo, so ito na nga na ano na, ay, yun, tanggal. Ayan. Ayan yung ating lounge na dumi. Ayan guys. So ayan guys, ang dumi ng ating couch. So it's It's all breadcrumbs. Ayan. Breadcrumbs, biscuit crumbs. So, that's all crumbs. Ayan guys. So, kasi mahilig kami ni Rod na kumain while watching sa aming lounge. So, this is really, really good for us para mabilis namin makuha yung mga crumbs sa ating lounge. Here you go mga kabisyo. So I'm happy for our new vacuum, and let's see if my happiness will last until 3 months, because I will try this one and I will clean the house using this, and let's see if I gonna like it or yeah. So we don't know. And guys, this is not sponsored, so I just want to unbox this stick vacuum, itong Cordless Wertheim Evolution, the ultimate Handstick. So, hindi po to sponsored. This is not sponsored. So, I just wanna unbox it and try it, guys. And let's see if, yeah. So, let's see if we can use this one for a long time. And then, I'm still drinking my teeny. Ayan, my skinny tea. Ayan, skinny tea. So, I'm drinking my skinny tea, guys, and this is my second day. So, let's see then kung ito ay magiging effective ba sa atin. Effective ba sa atin? Ayan. Ayan guys. So, wala siyang honey, wala siyang lemon at the moment, or any sweetener. Only the skinny tea. And then, we can add more water to this. So, we can refill this one twice. Ayan. So it's good. Ayan, yung ating vacuum. So, nandyan na siya. Ayan. Ayan mga kabisyo, so that's it for our vlog today. So I just wanna unbox the Christmas gift. Ayan, so sabi ko kay Habi, kay Rod, na he asked me if ano daw like ko sa Pasko na gift niya, and sabi ko, you can get me a vacuum. Vacuum as a gift. Ayan, so ayan na nga, so advance gift niya to guys sa atin. We need to be practical, 'di ba? Practical na mga kabisyo. Hindi na natin kailangan yung mga damit, yung mga ganyan-ganyan, mga mamahaling stuff. So, at least this one. Pero guys, it's up to you mga kabisyo if you want to buy any expensive bags, expensive clothes, ganyan, as a gift for yourself and for your loved ones. It's okay. It's your will. So if you have money, you can buy everything you want. But for me, this is my gift for this coming Christmas, and I like it. And also we can use it for a long time, and yeah. So, ang dami ko nang sinasabi mga kabisyo. So, yeah. So, that's it for our vlog mga kabisyo. And hope you like this video. And give us a thumbs up if you do. And subscribe if you haven't yet. And please turn on the notification bell para ma-update kayo or ma-notify kayo sa ating mga future upload. Ayan, so shoutout tayo sa ating mga members. So, maraming salamat mga kabisyo sa ating mga lahat ng ating mga kabisyo guys na nag-join sa ating membership, sa ating Kabisyo Care. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you so much for my 68 members guys. Maraming salamat. 66 members guys. Maraming salamat sa 66 members natin. Ayan, i-shoutout ko lang po ang ating pong Kabisyo Care. Ayan, ating Kabisyo Care. Mikay and Azel Vlog, Eva Pacquiao, Josephine Bardahe, Andreas Vlog, Roy Mersin Vlog, Jovelyn Kalim, Laffy and Kylie, Mayward Vlogs, GN and Family Vlog, Aiton, Rushing Bakalan, Glizel Garciano, Giant Ses, CJ Vlogs, Yvonne Mustak, si Kabisyo Jovi Tenorio, si Princess Lockers, Arthur TV Vlogs, Cynthia Fritz, ayan, si Kabisyo Brad Pets Show, Maria Fe Duhelo Bisana, Jovelyn Ramirez, Kabisyo Cute D, Jin Piang, Shilan Ruiz, Athena Ramirez, Tart Fortino Chige, Evelyn Monica, Mami Jocular, Nanay Carlos Vlog, Daisylin Castro, Monet Aberion, Maylin Musquet, Charles Pham, Dana Panares, Jorian 16 Adventures, Jenny Indelton Channel, Inday Mards Bisaya, M&M Journey, Mimi Joy, si Mimi Joy, Kabisyo, Nerilyn Polinar, Rose DIY, Shiny Sperry, Shakoy Girl, Bosque Family Channel, si Prince and Queen TV, The Calhon Family, Chuchay World, Wilma Agaraw, V. Smith in Vegas, Deborah Orat, Ando Waman, Judith Smith, Lani Parish, Madam Pango, Joyful Kitchen, Liza Mijer, Jen and Brett Vlogs, Nandemo JP, Linsburn, Pacquiao Merns. Ayan po guys yung ating mga members sa ating Kabisyo Care. And also, shout out sa ating Kabisyo Joy na si Kabisyo Joshan Vlogs. Ayan ang ating Kabisyo Joy, Joshan Vlogs. Lyricification. Ayan, salamat Kabisyo Lyrish. April ko. And Randy Woods. Ayan, Randy Woods. Thank you so much. And ayan guys. So we have 3 Kabisyo Joy. 1, 2, 4 I should say. So we have 4 Kabisyo Joy. Ayan, salamat. Joshan Vlogs, April ko, Lyricification, and Randy Woods. And we have 1 member for Kabisyo Kabisyo Blessed or Blessed, si Kabisyo Just Loisy. Ayan mga Kabisyo, thank you so much sa walang sawa nyo pong pagpapa-member at sa wala sawa nyo pong pagre-rejoin sa ating mga members. So, maraming salamat po. And sa ating mga non-members, shout out to all of you. And see you guys in my next vlog. Bye! Te amo and be good always. Be safe. Bye! Te amo.
The Wertheim Evolution is the ultimate handstick for your home and ideal for families with pets. Featuring Edge Clean, the Evolution picks up dirt right to the edge and is perfect for tight corners and crevices. The swivel head design has large wheels for supreme manoeuvrability. The small wheels at the front ensure the power head runs smoothly over the most delicate floor surfaces. The swivel also allows flat-to-floor cleaning to reach low areas. The motorised power head works on both carpeted and hard floor surfaces, gliding along with ease. The Wertheim Evolution features a chevron brush bar. This effectively channels dirt and dust to the centre of the power head, unlike traditional floor heads which often clog at the edges. The design of the bristles makes easy work cleaning up pet hair. Dual batteries provide up to 50 minutes of powerful cleaning performance combined, or 25 minutes per battery, perfect for spring cleans. The motorised powerhead dislodges dirt and picks up mess from the bottom up, ensuring a deep clean for your carpets. Continuous mode means you don't need to hold down the trigger as you vacuum, reducing fatigue. The illuminated boost button is conveniently located and gives you an extra power boost for heavy-duty cleaning. The high-efficiency digital brushless motor ensures reliability, higher power efficiency and longer lifespan for the Evolution. The self-standing charging stand allows for easy access and convenient charging of the second battery while you clean. The charging stand includes an accessory holder in the docking station for easy access to the 4 specialised accessories, including the mini motorised pet brush, ideal for cleaning furniture, carpeted stairs, your mattress or car upholstery and floor mats. The floating head adjusts the brush angle to clean flat or vertical surfaces, picking up pet hair and embedded dirt easily. The large upholstery tool with a lint strip to help pick up stray hairs and debris, perfect for cleaning the couch or car seats. The 3-in-1 tool, which easily converts to a crevice tool for hard-to-reach places, upholstery tool for furniture and upholstery, and a dusting brush. And the 90-degree long reach attachment, which helps you to reach high or awkward places. The Evolution is lightweight at only 2.7 kilograms and features an ergonomically designed anti-static handle. The Evolution features cyclone technology with HEPA filtration to trap allergens for healthier air in your home. The large capacity dust canister is easy to empty with a simple twist to unlock. The Wertheim Evolution, the ultimate handstick for your home.
I do 'cause I'm feeling so good.